You're not broke because of your job, your background, or your luck. You're broke because of your daily habits and the choices you keep repeating without even realizing it. Most people stay stuck in the same financial situation because they blame everything around them: the economy, their boss, their salary, or their lack of opportunities. But the harsh truth is, blame keeps you comfortable while responsibility makes you powerful. As long as you keep pointing fingers outward, nothing inside your life will change. There are people in worse situations with fewer resources who still manage to grow and succeed because they decided to take control instead of making excuses. Then comes one of the biggest traps: instant gratification. You keep choosing what feels easy right now instead of what builds your future. You scroll for hours instead of learning something valuable. You spend on things you don't need instead of investing in yourself. You say, "I'll start tomorrow," again and again, and slowly, tomorrow turns into months and even years. Every small decision you make daily, whether to learn or waste time, to save or spend, builds your future. Successful people think long-term, while broke people stay stuck chasing short-term comfort. On top of that, your income is directly connected to your skills. If you're not improving, not learning, not growing, why should your income increase? The world pays for value. The more useful and skilled you become, the more opportunities and money you attract. But if you stay the same person with the same knowledge and the same mindset, your financial situation will stay the same too. Growth is not optional if you want a different life. It's necessary, and deep down, you already know what you need to do. You have ideas, goals, maybe even plans, but fear stops you. Fear of failing, fear of judgment, fear of stepping out of your comfort zone. So instead of taking action, you wait, you overthink, you delay. And while you wait, life keeps moving forward without you. The truth is, staying where you are feels safe, but it's actually the biggest risk you can take. But here's the most important part: being broke is not permanent. It only becomes permanent if you refuse to change. The moment you decide to take responsibility, to control your money instead of letting it control you, to build skills instead of wasting time, and to take action even when you're scared, that's when everything starts to shift. It won't happen overnight, but it will happen if you stay consistent. No one is coming to fix your life. No one is going to suddenly appear and change everything for you. But the good news is, you don't need anyone. You already have the ability to change your situation. The moment you stop waiting and start doing, your life begins to transform. So stop making excuses, stop delaying your future, and start taking control today, because the life you want is built by the actions you take right now.